All right, back again with the welder. It's quite a bit cooler out today, so I thought I would tackle the handle. And as you can see, I already have a handle on it. It was a very simple process. I'll show you what I did. I like to use stuff over, reuse stuff when I can. So what this handle is a bag holder off a lawnmower. I believe it's an MTTD mower, but I'm not 100% sure. 21, 24 inch, something like that. But anyway, the bag holder fit perfectly over the welder. And because of the way it's designed, it went over, and then it actually had a back support, and you can see where I put some self-tappers and a couple of brackets to hold it in place. And on the top, I'll just pull the cables off here quickly so I can wrap it around. I was going to put hooks on, but I don't really need to because this does a pretty good job. I'll just get them out of the way and show you what I did down here. All right, give me a second so you're not getting all dodged around here. I'll be right back. Okay, back again with this. I got the cables off of her. So these are just these cable clamps that you can get. They have a vinyl liner on them, a couple of self-tappers, the same as I did to put the wheels on. One on each side. And this would be the handle. If you had it as a bagger, you would grab that, and this is where the bag would slide over to keep the bag from collapsing, and the bag would just drag on the ground. But that's it. Lawnmower bagger for a handle. Hey, you reuse what you can. There's no point in buying new stuff if you can get things that work. So, pretty good handle. It's solid, and you can just grab it like this, and up she goes. Perfect. Just exactly what I need. Just wrap the cables back around the handle. And that'll certainly do me probably the rest of my life. And I don't use this much, but it's nice to be able to move it around the shop when you need to clean and whatnot. Anyway, thanks for stopping by on this follow-up video on the handle. It was bugging the heck out of me that I didn't finish it. And here it is, finished. Thanks a lot.